My inspiration was the chakras. So we started up here with the crown chakra and went all the way down. I did it by taking a mohawk section, and I started with the red and separated it by the different mesh so that it didn't transfer any color and I didn't get any color on my yellow. And then we washed her in cold water as well. You want to turn to the side. And for the sides, I went diagonal back with all my sectioning, and I did another chakra panel right here. So that no matter where you part it, she's gonna have a rainbow somewhere.
Yeah.
I love it. That's beautiful. And what did you use to create that? Everybody loves it. It is really beautiful. Unbelievable. Texture.
For the top, I did Pulbright neons, and for the sides, I did some scruples for the purple. And for the top, I crimped her, and then I braided her, and pancaked out all of her braids and twisted them and pinned them.
It's really beautiful.
That's absolutely amazing.
And I love how smooth everything is in comparison to the mohawk. I think a lot of times, like with unicorn color, we kind of lost with a lot of texture unnecessarily because we're still in that stigma.
Right.
But I really like that we're just like, it's bold in your face, and it's a work of
And
art.
I love the contrast too of the texture with the smoothness. That's really, really
that's
awesome.
unique. It's very unique.
Absolutely
Spin
amazing.
her around a little bit so everybody can see.
Yes, you better spin, girl. Go ahead. Yes.
Woo!
Thank you.
Yes.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.